In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete contacts on Telegram. Deleting a contact on Telegram is a simple process that can help you keep your contact list organized. To get started, open up the Telegram app and then tap Contacts at the bottom left. After that, tap and select the contact you want to delete. Then tap on their name at the top. And then tap Edit at the top right corner. Now you'll see the Delete Contact option. Go ahead and tap on it. Tap Delete Contact to confirm the action, and the contact will be removed from your contacts list. By deleting unwanted contacts, you can easily manage your Telegram account and keep it tidy. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.